Welcome back to the channel. Jessie here. Thank you for watching. Today we are going to look at the last property that I went to visit on the Parade of Homes presented by the Tyler Area Builders Association. Again, you can look online for this particular booklet. The property I visited in this one is from Pyramid Homes. So this is the Pyramid Home. And Mr. Khalifa, who was the builder, and he was on site, but he was so fun, so personable, and was just so excited that people were out visiting the properties. And I have to say that out of the 4 properties that I looked at, this one was so practical in so many ways that I really love that. Don't get me wrong, I love beauty, but I love function. And this had a lot of functional points to it. Starting when you first walk in, had this beautiful door that also had a screen. So you could open that up and have that, fresh air coming in. It has 4 bedrooms, but one of them they called a mini master, and it had a little room to the side of it that would be great for like a little sitting room if you had a mother-in-law situation going on, or it could be a little theater room, a little gym. It was really cool, but he also mentioned the bathroom off that particular room is generally built for accessible for all abilities. So you could roll into that if you were in a wheelchair or something like that. He said that they can build any property. You have the land, they can build it. He has designs, but he also is willing to take on any designs, which I think was cool. Very fun, very excited. And one of the things that's unique about his kitchen is that it is filled with drawers. Not a door, but drawers. Loved in his utility room that was off of the garage, that it was made for traditional washers and dryers. And he had a pool. He mentioned that pool was just under $60K and it was built with the property. He suggested that if you want a pool, that you let your builder know that, because he likes to put them in when he's building his properties. And I will leave his contact information down below. Let's get into the tour of this property. So I like the exterior. I like that he has 2 different types of material, the brick and the flagstone. Now, to the right of this closet is actually the dining room, but he was in there and he was talking to some people, and I did not want to record them, as I don't think that is appropriate. When you walk into the living room, this is a split floor plan with an electric fireplace. Back there, that door is the mini master. You have the eat-in kitchen area, and that doorway that you see there, that leads into the master bedroom, bathroom, utility room, and garage access. So right here, you don't actually see the drawers to the kitchen because the cabinets are pretty dark, but they are there. You also see some crown molding. So here we go into the master wing of the house, a split floor plan. I like this master bedroom. I like how they have the pendant lighting from the ceiling, the tray ceiling, the crown molding, the windows, so you have an exterior view, and that it's at the back of the house, so it's quiet. Now this is the utility room, well, closet, and then you go to the utility room, but I don't include another clip here. And the big bathroom. I did not grab an image of the shower, and there were 2 closets, I believe. I cannot remember, and I don't have 2 separate pictures. But here is the 3D rendering of the property itself. And we're about to head over to those 2 bedrooms that share a bathroom. I like how he had things on the walls that explained like the color, the low E things like energy efficient. And I really like that when you open the closets, they're automatically lit. That's one of those practical things that I think is a nice touch. Right there, I show you how you turn it on and off. Helps keeps the doors closed. And then this is that hallway bathroom that also like the guests would use. And when you exit that, that's the little mini room right there, that flex room. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think. And I'll leave his contact information down below. He's in about the 500K range. And yeah, thank you all. Don't get me wrong, a front-loading washer and dryer is beautiful, but I got rid of my front-loading washer because it smelled like bong water.